Samsung's LED back cover for the Galaxy S10 is a case like no other, emitting a starlight effect that's somewhat reminiscent of the interior of a Rolls-Royce Phantom. But that's not the best bit. That would be the cover's option to double as a countdown timer for taking pictures from afar. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so instead of going into elaborate detail about how the feature works, it's rather simple, as you'll see in no more than a couple of seconds. We thought it would be best to show you it in action, courtesy of Facebook Outlet or Gadget Match. Just like the Phantom, the LED back cover won't come cheap. It's set at £50 in the UK, and is expected to retail for around the same in the US. But when you consider the case can moonlight as a countdown timer, and a star map, while also depicting incoming notifications, it's not that bad. The new cases have the rear of the device light up, via tiny LED dots which resembles the night sky. Just like the previous LED lights cases, it will most likely be powered by the device's inductive charging system. The case will look like any regular smartphone cover, and it is said to come in blue and white variation, having a smooth exterior, but as well as being noticeably thin. Once users have attached the case to their phone, the LED cover application will show up on their screen, which allows them to choose which design they would have the case flash. Designs include a heart, a dog, a smiley among all others. The main feature which gets us excited, however, is the camera countdown timer once the case is connected with the phone. That means that you can see the LED light aesthetic counting down for you, as you take a selfie, or a group photo, while having the lens facing forward. It can also project numerous notification alerts of course, as well as customizable caller ID notifications. The Samsung Galaxy S10 LED back cover case is available for $54.99.